Us alone. Where is Ashley? They're saying Ashley in the building. Where is Ashley in the building? Which building? Hmm? I hope it's... Where is Ashley? I'll check! I'll check! I'll check! What's up? Where's that shit? Yeah! No! Huh? It's winning! Yeah! Madrid is going! Where's Eshel? Eshel is not here. My baby is not here, guys. Don't worry. My baby is not here. Eshel to my mom. She's not here, but guys, I'm gonna live and love you. I'm gonna live and love you, Baba. I'm gonna live and love you, Baba. I'm gonna live and love you. The announcement, guys. We miss you. I miss you guys too. I miss you too, guys. You see, Amalokuzana are nice, but the goodbyes are not nice. Are not nice. Offside! What are you saying? It's an offside. It's not an offside. Oh, Shabeli. Oh, Shabeli, guys. Guys, my apartment is very nice. I love it. And I also love it for you guys. I'm joking. I love it for me. Very peaceful and quiet. So now we're going to maneuver. You understand? You understand? You understand? Okay, guys. Let me live and love you. Let me. It's like the winds are coming. Guys, goodbye, guys. It's not a goodbye because it's like I'm saying. Housewarming. Congratulations, thank you, guys. Housewarming. No, the house is warm already, guys. You want to warm the house? The house is warm already. Ashley is here watching him, man. Guys, where? Where's the people? Go for blah blah blah. Where is it? Here, there's a way of checking. But these people are requesting. I'm asking for HD, but it's fine. No, guys. Let me live and love you. It's a pink day. It's a pink and black 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 day. Let me live and love you. I love you all with the love of love. 4 million of what? Oh, 4.1 million. I love you guys. Now I'm gonna claim. Yes. Bye guys. Bye. How do you finish? You press the. I got an apartment. Yes. The one I'm gonna stay at. You understand? Thank you. The courage. Oh. Guys, don't do that. Oh my gosh. You're gonna make me cry and I can't wipe my tears. Stop it. I like it. Wow. So professional. Yes. Apartment here. I'm telling you. Sound. TV look. I'm telling you, it's gonna be very beautiful. I got an apartment, guys. Joburg. Yeah. Yes. Okay, guys. Let me live and love you. Let me. It's like the winds are coming. The winds Guys, goodbye, guys. It's not a goodbye because it's like I'm saying, housewarming. Congratulations, thank you, guys. Housewarming. No, the house is warm already, guys. You want to warm the house? The house is warm already. Ashley is here watching her, man. Guys, where? Where's the people? Cover blah blah blah. Where is it? Yeah. What's happening? Hey, hey, man. Guys, drip check at night. Drip check. Pink, pink. Ish. We're also rocking. What's happening? We are also rocking pink. Cramp. Hey. We are also rocking pink. Yeah. Rocking pink. So it's a pink day today. And we're fighting with pink. Here's Nsuku for Mzansi. Siyatholakala khona lapha eTuze. Hello, my people, what's happening? Don't rush the process. Don't rush the process. The process needs wings. I need to fly to the... Who wants some? Wow! What a wow. This thing is not moving, Fed. Facebook on Facebook. My banner is here. My banner is here. Don't worry. What a wow. How would you Guluva away? Eshedi is here, guys. Don't worry. Me and Eshedi are still together. Don't worry, eh? Don't worry. Congratulations to my banner. Wow! Congratulations.